We have learned about stitching a lot earlier, but till now we haven't discussed about the tool called Edit Sewing Tool, which can help you while changing or correcting your sewing lines. That's why we will learn about it today. Let me tell you that all our videos is also available in Hindi as well. So you can watch them from our channel and by the help of the playlist we specially created for you. Hello guys, welcome back to Attiration, and if you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Muskan, your mentor. Here on YouTube, we learn about 3D design software and many other things related to fashion, which can help you in future. Now, let's join us in our today's class. I have this one file that I create earlier where we will learn today's topic. I am hiding my avatar first by the help of Shift plus A because it's little distracting. We're also going to move this one pattern little further from rest of our pattern so that all the sewing can be visible to us. Now select your Edit Sewing tool whose shortcut is B. After selecting this tool, all your sewing will be visible. After selecting these sewing lines, when you will right click, these types of options will be visible to you. First, we have select all with the same property. So, you can select the sewing with the same fold strength or fold angle. We will try fold angle. Since each sewing have same fold angle, that's why everything is selected. In similar manner, we have fold strength here. Next option is reverse sewing. To show you the use of this tool, I will select one sewing here. Either you can use right click then delete sewing or simply press delete on your keyboard after selecting that sewing. Now suppose we are doing a sewing and by mistake it twists like this. You can see a cross shape in your both windows which is wrong. So either you have to delete this by using Edit Sewing tool and use Sewing tool again to stitch it, or you can just select Edit Sewing tool and instead of deleting it, right click over it to use our option Reverse Sewing. This will make our long work short and will twist it again for us. You can even use its shortcut Ctrl plus B. All you need to do is to select the sewing which is reversed. Here, next option is delete sewing which is discussed already. So below this we have merge. Yes, this option's working in similar with the one we have in Edit tool, but the only difference is that we can merge our pattern without selecting two sides like this. But in Edit tool, you have to select those two lines that you want to merge because in sewing, our pattern know itself where it should be attached. Next we have add point to pattern on start and end. Till now, I haven't learned the objective of these options, but if you know that, please share it with us in comment box below. After this, our next option is add seam line top stitch. By the help of this option, you can add top stitch over your pattern. Let me change the color of top stitch to black so that you can see it clearly. You can see we have top stitch to the both sides. By the help of this option, you can add top stitch all over your pattern or to the area required. You don't have to use top stitch tool again and again. Next option is deactivate sewing. It will deactivate the sewing that you have selected. Till now, we have learned about deactivate pattern with sewing from above video. But here, we can deactivate just the sewing of our pattern, however we want. After selecting it, our sewing will turn white in color, which resembles deactivation. So after simulation, everything will get stitched back, but not this one. Let me activate it back. For this, you have to right click again over this line and then select Activate Sewing. Our color is back and so is its sewing. Now our last option is Hide Sewing. As its name says, hide. That's why our sewing lines and marks are removed from both the window, but our sewing is still here. You can use this option if one or more than one sewing is disturbing you while working. After doing this, it might be possible that you can't even select the sewing with the Edit Sewing tool. But don't get confused. Select another sewing line and by right click, use Show Sewing, which is our last option. After this, it will show up itself. If these threads are disturbing you in 3D window, then you can hide it as well. Use this side option and select Show Threads. After this, only the mark like we have in 3D window will remain active, but those lines will hide. This is all about Edit Sewing tool. If this video has helped, press like button, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon if you don't want to miss any future tip, trick and tutorial. Till then, keep creating. Bye.